Sana and I'm making designer kurta for my brother for the first time. So I already uploaded a cutting videos of this kurta and this video is gonna be a stitching video. This is lining kurta, so first you have to join all this lining fabric with main fabric. So here I first joined with pins and later I stitched. This is always easy to stitch without any shrink. Start this with a shoulder and neckline. This way I joined both the front and back pieces with lining cloths. Now I am giving opening mark for pocket because I have to give folding stitch to give finishing first on that opening. Do it same like this way how I am showing for front and back. Now for neckline, it's a placket neck. So it's 11 inches placket neck. Leave 2 mm and mark it. Now before cutting, I am gonna stitch left and right of this marking because it's a lining kurta. Like this way lining won't move and also it avoids shrinkness. Now making placket neck with fusing. Here I'll give one tip. See the direction first which side I'm sitting and making this placket with fusing. Like the same way you do it, otherwise placket neck directions will change. I'm saying because I have already did this mistake. While stitching it won't match in the perfect direction. So do the same how I'm doing here. And yeah, still I'm a beginner. I am not a trained tailor or trained fashion designer. I learned these things from YouTube and Google's. That's it. After that, I do my own designs or own calculations with my measurements. And I take some references from Google also. With the help of these things, I'm making these kind of dresses. This outfit is my second making. Now cut that mark. Before join, first stitch that placket. Now join this placket with the inner side of the kurta. I only felt difficult in neckline, so be careful while making necklines. Now add other strip which I already made, that is a button part. Now fold it in opposite direction, that is a front side. Do it same in the both side. Now come to the sleeve. Keep your sleeve part in right direction. Put it in armhole and join both. Next is pocket. First we have to make the pocket fabric like this. And in kurta, join that open with wide stitch. Later we have to remove it. Now keep the pocket below from open and stitch like this way. Now open the arch of the pocket and stitch with the kurta without any shrink or any gap. Be patient while doing this. That's it, pocket is ready and kurta is also ready. That's it guys, bye bye. In next video I'll show you how I did this RU work. Bye.